Please stand by for a message relayed by the United States government. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the United States Department of Defense. This is not a test. Thousands of 911 calls have come in saying that the product Elf on the Shelf, the children's toy Christmas tradition, were reported to be moving around posing a threat to its owners. A total recall has been initiated for the entire country. If you own one of these, throw it away immediately. At least 19,000 casualties have occurred so far. Do not go near the elf at any time, and distance yourself as far away as you can from the elf, as again it poses a threat. They were reported to be arming themselves with sharp and dangerous objects and harming people with such weapons. This unusual phenomenon cannot be explained at this time, but you and your family should take immediate action to prevent harm to yourself and others.